Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore simple and effective ways to enhance your health and well-being. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many of us on a daily basis: bloating and digestive health. Have you ever finished a meal feeling uncomfortably full or swollen? That's bloating, and while it's common, it doesn't have to be a regular part of your life. In this video, we're going to guide you through a full day of eating designed specifically to improve your digestion and help you beat the bloat. From a delicious, gut-friendly breakfast to a soothing evening tea, we've got a lineup of easy-to-prepare recipes that are not only delicious, but also packed with ingredients known for their digestive benefits. We'll also delve into the science behind why we experience bloating and share practical tips on how you can maintain optimal digestive health through your diet and lifestyle choices. So, if you're ready to feel lighter and more energetic, keep watching as we unlock the secrets to a bloat-free day. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our health tips and recipes. Bloating can be uncomfortable and often indicates that something is amiss with our digestive health. Whether it's due to food sensitivities, a lack of dietary fiber, or simply poor eating habits, the discomfort of bloating can disrupt daily life. Fortunately, what you eat has a profound impact on your digestive wellness. First, we will start by looking at what is bloating and why does it happen. Understanding the basic mechanics of bloating is the first step in managing it effectively. Bloating can occur for various reasons, ranging from digestive issues to hormonal imbalances. This section will explain the common causes and triggers of bloating, helping you to identify potential dietary changes that could improve your overall gut health. Understanding the common causes and triggers of bloating. Bloating is a common digestive complaint that many people experience regularly. It is often caused by excess gas production or disturbances in the movement of the muscles of the digestive system. This can cause the abdomen to feel uncomfortable, swollen, or even painfully distended. Identifying and understanding the common causes and triggers can be crucial in making dietary and lifestyle changes to improve gut health. Here are some of the primary factors. 1. Dietary choices. High FODMAP foods, FODMAPs, fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols are short-chain carbohydrates that are poorly absorbed in the small intestine and are fermented by bacteria in the gut. Common high FODMAP foods include onions, garlic, beans, lentils, wheat, and dairy products. For some individuals, reducing intake of these foods can significantly diminish bloating. Carbonated drinks. The carbon dioxide in sodas and sparkling water can lead to increased gas accumulation in the stomach, resulting in bloating. Rich in fatty foods. Fatty foods can slow down digestion, giving food more time to ferment inside the gut, which can cause bloating. 2. Eating habits. Eating quickly. Eating too quickly can cause you to swallow air, which leads to bloating. Taking time to chew food thoroughly can help reduce this. Overeating. Large meals can overwhelm the digestive system, leading to bloating. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help mitigate this effect. 3. Insufficient digestive enzymes. Enzyme deficiencies. Some people produce insufficient digestive enzymes which help break down food, causing undigested food to ferment in the colon. Conditions such as lactose intolerance and pancreatic insufficiency are examples where supplementation may be beneficial. 4. Constipation. Reduced bowel movements. When bowel movements are less frequent, the stool can become harder and more difficult to pass, causing a buildup that can lead to bloating. Increasing fiber intake, drinking plenty of water, and regular physical activity can help promote regular bowel movements. 5. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Functional gastrointestinal disorders. IBS is a common disorder that affects the large intestine, causing symptoms like bloating, gas, cramping, diarrhea, and constipation. Tailoring a diet that avoids trigger foods and managing stress can be effective strategies for relief. 6. Hormonal fluctuations. Menstrual cycle. Many women experience bloating before and during their periods due to hormonal changes that influence fluid retention in the body. 7. Stress. Mental health and digestion. Psychological stress is intricately linked to physical health, including digestion. Stress can impact the gut-brain axis, leading to altered gut motility and increased sensation of bloating. Now we will feature some dietary changes to improve gut health. To manage bloating effectively, consider the following dietary adjustments. Incorporate probiotics. Foods rich in probiotics such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi can help enhance the gut microbiota, improving digestion and reducing symptoms of bloating. Increase fiber gradually. While a high-fiber diet can help prevent constipation and bloating, increasing fiber intake too quickly can actually worsen bloating. Gradual incorporation allows the digestive system to adapt. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps dissolve fats and soluble fiber, aiding in smooth digestion and preventing constipation. Mindful eating. Pay attention to eating slowly and ensure to chew your food thoroughly to reduce air swallowing. By understanding these triggers and making conscious changes to your eating habits and lifestyle, you can significantly alleviate bloating and improve your overall digestive health. By now, we have learned some strategies to improve our gut health. But how crucial is gut health to our overall well-being? Let's delve into our next section, the importance of gut health. Your gut health is crucial to overall wellness, affecting everything from your immune system to your mood. This segment discusses the science behind gut health and its impact on the body, emphasizing the importance of a balanced gut microbiome. The gut microbiome is a complex and dynamic ecosystem of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microorganisms living in the digestive tract. These microorganisms play a pivotal role in our overall health, influencing everything from digestion and immunity to mental health and chronic disease risk. Here's a closer look at the science behind gut health and its extensive impact on the body. 1. Digestion and nutrient absorption. The primary function of the gut microbiome is to aid in the digestion of food. Microorganisms in the gut help break down complex carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, facilitating the absorption of nutrients that the body needs to function. They also help synthesize essential vitamins, such as vitamin K and some B vitamins, further contributing to nutritional well-being. 2. Immune system modulation. The gut microbiome forms a barrier against pathogens and plays a crucial role in the development and function of the mucosal immune system, which protects the body from external pathogens. A balanced microbiome stimulates the immune system to fight infections more effectively while also preventing it from overreacting, which can lead to autoimmune disorders. An influence on metabolic health. Research has shown that the gut microbiome can influence the body's metabolism and play a role in the development of metabolic conditions, such as obesity, diabetes, and fatty liver disease. Certain bacteria in the gut can affect how the body processes sugars and fats, influencing weight gain and insulin sensitivity. 4. Gut-brain axis. The gut-brain axis is a communication network that links the emotional and cognitive centers of the brain with peripheral intestinal functions. This bidirectional relationship means that the state of the gut can affect mental health. For instance, an imbalance in the gut microbiota has been associated with various psychological disorders, including depression and anxiety. 5. Production of short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs. Microbial fermentation of dietary fibers in the colon produces SCFAs, such as butyrate, acetate, and propionate. These compounds are vital for colon health, serving as energy sources for colon cells, reducing inflammation and playing a role in protecting against colon cancer. 6. Hormone regulation. The gut microbiome also influences the regulation of various hormones involved in hunger signaling, such as ghrelin and leptin. These interactions can affect appetite and satiety, further influencing body weight and health. With all that's been said so far, we can now see the importance of maintaining a balanced gut microbiome. Given the significant roles the gut microbiome plays in overall health, maintaining its balance is essential. Here are some strategies to promote a healthy gut. Diverse diet. Eating a wide range of foods, especially high-fiber foods, fruits, vegetables, and legumes, can promote a diverse microbiome. Probiotics and prebiotics. Consuming probiotic foods like yogurt and kefir and prebiotic foods such as garlic, onions, and bananas help nourish and sustain beneficial gut bacteria. Limit antibiotics. While sometimes necessary, frequent use of antibiotics can disrupt the gut microbiome. Use antibiotics only when prescribed and necessary, Regular exercise. Physical activity can enhance the number of beneficial microbial species, enrich microbial diversity, and improve the resilience of the microbiome. Manage stress. Since stress can negatively impact gut health, managing stress through techniques like meditation, yoga, and adequate sleep is important. Understanding and supporting gut health can lead to profound benefits across many aspects of physical and mental health, highlighting the importance of a balanced gut microbiome in maintaining overall well-being. Here's where we now present to you our lineup of easy-to-prepare recipes. Breakfast. Start your day bloat-free. Recipe: overnight oats with papaya and chia seeds. Kickstart your day with a soothing breakfast designed to ease your digestive system into activity without causing bloating. This recipe uses ingredients known for their digestive benefits, like papaya, which contains the enzyme papain, and chia seeds, which are rich in fiber. Mid-morning snack: gut-friendly green smoothie. Recipe: spinach, ginger, and mint smoothie. This green smoothie is packed with ingredients that support digestion and reduce inflammation. Ginger is known for its ability to soothe the stomach, while mint can help alleviate symptoms of IBS and other digestive disorders. Lunch: light and refreshing quinoa salad. Recipe: quinoa salad with cucumber, fennel, and lemon dressing. For lunch, enjoy a light yet nutritious salad that combines quinoa, a high-fiber grain, with cucumber and fennel, which are excellent for preventing and reducing bloating. The lemon dressing adds a zest that stimulates digestion. Afternoon snack: probiotic-rich yogurt parfait. Recipe: yogurt with mixed berries and flax seeds. Snack on a mix of probiotic-rich yogurt and fiber-loaded berries and flax seeds. This combination not only tastes great, but also helps maintain a healthy gut flora, crucial for effective digestion and bloat prevention. Dinner: gentle on the gut stir-fry. Recipe: ginger turmeric chicken stir-fry with broccoli and bell peppers. End your day with a dinner that's full of anti-inflammatory ingredients like ginger and turmeric. This stir-fry includes vegetables like broccoli and bell peppers that are high in vitamins and fiber, promoting a smooth digestive process and minimizing nighttime bloating. Evening tea: peppermint and chamomile tea. Peppermint and chamomile tea are excellent for soothing the stomach and can help ease the digestive process before bed, ensuring a restful, bloat-free night. As we move closer to wrapping up our video, I would like to share some tips with you. Here we go. Tips for long-term digestive health. This section provides long-term strategies for maintaining digestive health, including hydration tips, the benefits of regular exercise, and how to incorporate a balanced diet into your everyday life. Long-term strategies for maintaining digestive health. Maintaining optimal digestive health is essential for overall well-being. It influences not only the functioning of our digestive system, but also has significant impacts on our immune system, mental health, and chronic disease risk. Here are some key long-term strategies that can help maintain and improve digestive health. 1. Hydration tips. Water plays a crucial role in digestion. It helps break down food so that your body can absorb the nutrients. Water is also vital for moving waste smoothly through the intestines and preventing constipation. Here are some tips for staying hydrated. Consistent water intake. Aim to drink at least 8-10 glasses of water a day. This varies depending on the climate you live in and your activity level. Monitor hydration levels. Keep an eye on the color of your urine. Pale yellow indicates good hydration, while a darker color suggests you need more fluids. Incorporate hydrating foods. Include fruits and vegetables with high water content, such as cucumbers, celery, watermelon, and oranges in your diet. 2. Benefits of regular exercise. Physical activity is great for the digestive system. It helps keep food moving through your digestive tract and reduces constipation by increasing your heart rate, which stimulates the muscles of the intestines. Aerobic exercises. Activities like walking, jogging, swimming, and cycling can accelerate your breathing and heart rate, helping to stimulate the contraction of intestinal muscles. Yoga. Certain yoga poses can help increase blood flow to your digestive tract and stimulate the intestines to contract, helping with digestion and detoxification. 3. Incorporating a balanced diet. Eating a varied and balanced diet is crucial for gut health, as it ensures an intake of essential nutrients and supports a diverse microbial ecosystem in the gut. High-fiber foods. Fiber is essential for good digestive health, as it increases the weight and size of your stool and softens it. Include whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables in your diet. Limit fatty foods. Fat slows down the digestive process, making you more prone to constipation. While it's important to have some fat in your diet, balance it with high-fiber foods. Moderate dairy and meat consumption. These can be hard to digest for some people. Considering plant-based alternatives or lean meats and low-lactose dairy products can be beneficial. 4. Avoid foods that irritate your digestive system. Some people find certain foods difficult to digest, leading to gas, bloating, or diarrhea. Identify trigger foods. Keep a food diary to track which foods seem to cause digestive upset and try eliminating them to see if symptoms improve. Reduce salt and sugar intake. Higher amounts of salt can cause water retention, and excessive sugar can lead to an imbalance of gut bacteria. 5. Regular eating schedule. Eating at regular times can help maintain your digestive system in top shape. Avoid late meals. Eating late at night can cause indigestion and interfere with the quality of sleep. Mindful eating. Pay attention to eating slowly and chew thoroughly to improve digestion and absorption. 6. Manage stress. Stress can significantly impact your digestive system as it interferes with the brain signals that control digestion, leading to pain, bloating, and other stomach discomfort. Relaxation techniques. Regular practice of meditation, deep breathing exercises, or progressive muscle relaxation can help manage stress effectively. Implementing these strategies can lead to improved digestive health and contribute to a healthier, more vibrant life. Regularly monitoring your body's responses to different foods and habits can also provide insights into what works best for your unique digestive system. And there you have it, a day packed with delicious, nutritious meals designed to help you beat the bloat and support your digestive health. We started our day with a refreshing overnight oats recipe, snacked on a vibrant green smoothie, enjoyed a nourishing quinoa salad for lunch, and wrapped up with a comforting ginger turmeric stir-fry for dinner. And don't forget about our soothing peppermint and chamomile tea to end your day on a relaxing note. Each recipe we shared today isn't just meant to ease bloating, but also to enhance your overall health with ingredients that are good for your gut microbiome. Remember, taking care of your digestive system doesn't just improve how you feel, it also boosts your immune system, your mood, and your energy levels. We hope you feel inspired to try out these recipes and perhaps even integrate some of these tips into your daily routine. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give us a thumbs up and share it with someone who might find it helpful. We love seeing your comments and experiences, so drop us a line below about how you manage digestive health or any questions you might have. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content. There's always something new to learn and ways to improve your health with us.